I was overwhelmed to see my father and mother's family friends, Monsieur and Madame Gaspard.
D'accord.
My cousin, who owns a restaurant in Reims, France, Le Grattoir, had a little cookout for us at her home. As you can see, she had octopus, fish, and she also had some scallops that she put on this pan that cooked all the food outside. Very typical in France. As my cousin was cooking the fish, she pulled out the scallops, which still had the tail on them. They were lightly seasoned and delicious. They're very hard to find in the US, and I always look forward to having them. After everyone has eaten, a little bubbly of champagne is served for you to hang out in the garden, just like in America where we hang out and drink beer.
Okay, say
Hey. Cheers!
Pousse, pousse.
Pousse, pousse.
Hi everyone, this is Lizzy Loves Food and we're here at Louise in Reims France. It's our last night and we've enjoyed a wonderful dinner with Mr. Restaurateur Alex Cortez, which I highly recommend. Definitely a 5-star, very low in cost, and a wonderful meal from salads to crepes in every style to dessert crepes, and to finish it off, a wonderful coffee or a glass of champagne. Now I'm going to introduce you to Mr. Alex Cortez, which will tell you a little bit of his restaurant in French. Alors, Monsieur Alex Cortez, qu'est-ce que c'est ton restaurant? Dis à Jean que Lizzy Loves Food qui vient. Tu dois parler en français, hein?
Merci, bonjour. Je suis très content aujourd'hui d'accueillir Elisabeth, qui est ma cousine, qui vient me voir des États-Unis et qui est venue manger dans mon restaurant, la crêperie Louise à Reims, et qui est très contente d'être venue chez nous. Voilà.
Merci, Monsieur Cortez. Now, if you guys are ever in Reims and you decide to visit the Champagne area, which is another lovely character that this little city has in France, please come see Louise and ask for Alex. All right, I'm ready to get into my little pomme tarte with a little salted caramel and a little ice cream on top. So let me tell you how this is absolutely wonderful. At least it looks good so far. A little chocolate covered on the side. L'amour. Thank you everyone, and we'll see you when we're back in the States.